What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. I've been having midterms for the past, 2 or 3 weeks, so my schedule's been really crazy and I haven't had time to figure out some cool cocktail ideas, but we're gonna make a good cocktail anyways. We're gonna be making an old-fashioned, super simple, super easy, and just such a good cocktail. So let's get started, shall we? First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop our sugar cube, 1 cube of sugar, into our glass. Everything's made into the old-fashioned glass. We're not shaking anything. And then we're gonna add 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. And then I like adding a dash of DeGroff's Pimento bitters. Pretty good stuff. There we go. And then what we're gonna do, let's move that out of the way. We're gonna be muddling the sugar cube. Perfect. Now that we got the sugar and bitters all muddled, kind of makes this really thick syrupy thing. It's very grainy though, so some people don't like the graininess. I personally like the graininess because the sugar cube dissolves as you drink the old fashioned. It evolves as you drink it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add not our ice cube, our 2 ounces of bourbon. I am using Elijah Craig small batch. I really like using this bourbon because it's a very, I always spill. Elijah Craig is just I think the best bourbons for an old-fashioned, mainstream at least, bourbons. It's not that sweet from the corn, nor is it too rye. It's just the perfect blend. It's just what a bourbon is, and I feel like with other bourbons, those other flavors can take away from just the classic old-fashioned. We're gonna add our rock of ice, and then we're just gonna stir until the glass gets nice and chilled. And this also adds dilution. If you just drink this without an ice block, it's too strong. And we're also mixing out the sugar. Ooh, and we're keep on spilling and don't do that. Perfect. See, super simple. Now we're just gonna get our orange twist, and we're gonna express the oils. We're just gonna put it on the rim of the glass. And there we have it, an old fashioned. Let's take a sip. So this is just my usual old fashioned. You really get the corn of the bourbon really goes well with the pimento bitters. They really blend together in a magical sort of way, and the Angostura bitters really just adds texture to the drink. Texture not in physical texture, but more in the taste, a philosophical type of way of texture. And then of course you get the sugar cube that adds graininess to the cocktail. I love it. I can be sipping this all day. Well, that's it, everyone. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, and click the bell icon so you get notifications. Thank you.